Okay, today we will continue our discussion on trigonometric ratios from where we left off yesterday. Yesterday, what we discussed? We discussed following things. One is angle. You know what is the angle? We already discussed, right? Okay. And what is the magnitude of the angle? And what is the trigonometric ratios? In which quadrant the trigonometric ratios are positive, and in which quadrant the trigonometric ratios are negative, why it is positive and why it is negative. We already discussed all these things. Today we will continue our discussion further. Okay, that is our agenda. Yeah, this is the quadrant system, and this is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Ratios are positive, and in the second quadrant only sine and cosecant, these are positive. Why sine and cosecant are positive? We already discussed, right? Just refer previous video. And in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Okay. This can be easily remembered as the phrase all silver tea cups. All means all trigonometric ratios. Silver means sine and cosecant. T means tan and cot. Cups means cos and secant are positive. This can be easily remembered. Okay. And let us say now we will know what is the value of sine theta, sine 30. First of all, I will tell you what is the sine theta. Sine theta means, let us say if I say 30 degrees, that means if theta is 30 degrees, okay, what is the ratio of opposite side? Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, let us say sine 30 equal to what? Half. That means opposite side, hypotenuse is double the length of this opposite side. That means AB, and hypotenuse length is 2AB. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, now we will to solve this problem, in addition to what we discussed, we need to know some of the values of trigonometric ratios. Okay, so I will write down those values. Okay, let us say this is 0 degrees, and then 30 degrees, and then 60 degrees, sorry, 45 degrees, and then 60 degrees. Okay, and then 90. And we have one more thing also, just I will wrap these things. After 190, 180 degrees, okay, and then 360 also, 360. Okay, we need to remember these values to solve the problem. Let us say sine. Okay, what is sine 0? Sine 0, I will say it is 0. You need to remember this 0 value, as well as you should know why it is 0 also. That is more important. Otherwise you won't remember the, if you don't know the concept, it is very difficult for you to remember the values also. Okay, I will tell the background. Okay, let us say this is theta. What is sine theta? And let us say this is triangle ABC. Okay, and opposite side, right? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Let us say if I say sine 0, that meaning 0 theta is 0, right? When theta is 0, A is overlapped with B. That means opposite side length is 0. Then it is 0. If see here angle should be 0. When it should be 0? When A is overlapped with B. That means the triangle should be like this. C and B. See whatever the A, right? A will be overlapped with B. Overlapped with B. Then only this theta is 0, right? In that case, what is the length of opposite side? 0. 0 by anything is 0. Okay, that is the thing. So sine 0 is 0. And what is sine 30? Sine 30 equal to half. And meaning is at an angle 30 degrees, opposite side is half the length of hypotenuse. That is the meaning. Or the opposite side and the hypotenuse length is double the size of opposite side. That also we can say. Okay. And what is sine 45? Sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2. The meaning is same, right? So just I will write down these things. And what is sine 60? Sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2. And what is sine 90? Sine 90 equal to 1. Okay. And now take cos. We will see 180 and 360 later. And then tan. Okay. Sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay. Just to see, uh, I can I can say, let us take a triangle again. Okay, A, B, C. Let us say this is theta. What are the total lengths of angles in a triangle? That is 180 degrees, right? And what is the angle BAC? BAC is 90 minus theta, right? And this is right angle triangle, obviously. ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees. So if you consider sine theta, okay, sine theta equal to what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB divided by hypotenuse. And now consider this angle. What is this? Sine, okay, 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta? For this angle, this is the opposite side. That is BC by what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Now consider cos 90 minus theta. Okay. For cos 90 minus theta, what is the adjacent side? AB is the adjacent side. Okay. AB. And what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Right. AB by AC. See if you see these two equations, sin theta equal to AB by AC. Same thing, cos 90 minus theta equal to AB by AC. Both RHS are same. Right hand side is same, right? AB by AC, AB by AC. That means sin theta equal to, I can say that sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, remember this. Just consider now. In place of sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sin 0 is here sin 0 equal to cos 90 minus 0. What is this? Cos 90. So whatever the, okay, cos 90. Whatever the sin 0, that equal to cos 90. So I will write 0 over here. Just reverse way, right? In the same way, take sin 30. Sin 30 equal to, I will say, cos 60, right? Sin 45 equal to cos 45. Sin 60 equal to cos 30. How we will get this thing? By you apply this rule or apply this logic. Okay, if you understand this logic, then it is easy for us to remember these things, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, now see, cos 0 is sin 90, right? 1. And cos 30 equal to sin 60, that equal to root 3 by 2. And cos 45 equal to sin 45, that is 1 by root 2. And cos 60 equal to sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Just we need to reverse whatever the sign values, right? Sin 0 is cos 90, sin 30 equal to cos 60, sin 45 equal to cos 45, sin 90 equal to cos 0. That's it. Just write down all these things. Okay, I will rub this. Now we have sine value, cos value, right? Now what is tan theta? In any triangle, tan theta is ratio of opposite side by adjacent side, right? AB by BC. Sorry, AB by BC. We know that what is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. And what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to adjacent side BC divided by AC. Right. So just to consider sin theta by cos theta. What is the value of sin theta by cos theta? That is AB by AC whole divided by BC by AC. This AC and AC get cancelled. So what will remaining? AB by BC. See, this is AB by BC. Here we have AB by BC. That means tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So let us say tan 0. What is tan 0? Sin 0 by cos 0. And what is tan 30? Tan 30 equal to sin 30 by cos 30. What is tan 45? Tan 45 equal to sin 45 by cos 45. So same thing, because here theta means it's a generic thing. It can be anything, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, whatever it is. Okay, up to whatever the values it will take. It will take r, right? Any rational number excluding 0, because uh, we should not give what is the 90 for 0, right? Okay, if we give 0, tan will become infinity, right? We need to avoid those type of boundaries. Okay, and otherwise tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Now just 0 by 1, what is that? 0. Tan 0 is 0. Next, tan 30. Tan 30 equal to sin 30 by cos 30, right? Sin 30, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. How much it is? 1 by root 3. Just to do division. Okay, and it is root 3. Now tan 90 equal to sin 90 divided by cos 90, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is how much? Infinity. Okay, infinite means it is not defined. Okay, to know these things, just consider coordinate system. Now just note it down, these things. If you have any doubts, just ask me. Okay, now take quadrant system. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is minus x, and this is minus y. This we already learned in our higher studies, higher classes, right? Okay, now we know that what is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0, and sin 90 is 1, and sin 180 is 0. Okay, and sin 270 is minus 1, Again sin 360 equal to how much? 0. So these values will be repeated like 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0 for the sign values. Okay. Now what is the cos? Cos 0 equal to 1. Cos 90 equal to 0. Okay. Now cos 180 equal to, here it is minus 1. Okay. And it is 0, right? Cos 270 is 0. This is the technique. And I will show you how we got that one also. Okay. Now what is sin 180? Sin 180 equal to 0. And sin 360 equal to 0. And here I will add 270 also. Okay. Okay. I will add 270 also. Okay, what is 270? Sin 270 is minus 1. Now take cos 180 how much? 1. This is minus 1. So minus 1. Cos 360 is how much? Cos 360 equal to 1. Cos 270 equal to 0. Okay. Now take tan. Tan 180 equal to sin by cos, right? 0 by minus 1 is 0. And 360 also 0 by 1 is 0. And 270 sin by cos minus 1 by 0. How much it is? Infinity. Okay. Just if you remember these values, it is well and good. If you are not able to remember, you should know how to get these values. Okay. Because on this basis we need to solve the problems, that is why. And if you remember these values, it will be easy for you to further solve the problems. Okay. Now till 90 we are fine, right? I derived 180 as 0. Okay, let us say sin 180. We put sin 180 as 0, right? This sin 180, how we can write? Sin 90 plus 90. Sin 90 plus theta equal to what? In which quadrant it will be? It will be in the, let us take coordinate system now. And this is x, and this is y, this is minus x, and this is minus y. Sin 90 plus theta, how much it is? Okay, sin 90 plus theta, that is cos theta. Okay, now theta equal to 90, cos 90. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 equal to 0. And same 0 we got, right? So sin 90 equal to sin 180 equal to 0, that is correct. Now consider sin 360. Sin 360 can be written as sin 180 plus 180. Okay, this is 180 plus theta. In which quadrant it will be? Let us say this is theta. It will be in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sin is negative, and sin 180 plus theta equal to sin theta, right? This again further simplified as sin 180. What is the value of sin 180? This is further simplified as sin 90 plus 90. What is sin 90 plus theta? Sin 90 plus theta equal to cos 90. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 equal to 0. Minus 0 is 0, right? So sin 360 equal to 0. So same thing we got here. So in this way we are able to derive 180, 360, 270 also. If you want to show any angle, I will show. Because based on this we are going to solve the problems. Fine, right? Okay. Till now you have any questions? Okay, right? If you are fine, from tomorrow onwards we will solve the problems. We will jump and we will directly So these yesterday class and today's class is very important. If you didn't understand, it is very difficult for you to solve the problems. Okay. Yeah. And finally I will say trigonometry means, okay, this is mathematics related to triangle. So for each and everything what I will do, I will take one triangle and I will take the coordinate system. So you should be perfect in trigonometric triangle properties as well as quadrant system. So that is the main thing, just to brush up your high school mathematics, like what is the total angle in triangle. Okay, what are the total angle in the triangle? All sum of all three angles, that is 180, right? Okay, those properties just you brush up. Okay, yeah, that is for today's class.